Hello everyone. Today I am going to be doing a Target haul. I recently saw on YouTube that Target was having a huge beauty clearance, so naturally I had to head over there and see what I could find. I actually did this maybe a week or two ago and I just didn't have time to film the video, so I'm hoping Target is still having their clearance by the time you watch this. If not, then hopefully they do it again someday soon. So I will show you what I got and I will tell you what I paid for it and how much I saved. First thing that I have is this L'Oreal Infallible Total Coverage Foundation in the shade Classic Ivory. It was originally $10.99 and I bought it for $3.28. Now, not everything was on sale. I think it was just certain colors or certain items that just weren't popular, so they were trying to get rid of it, and maybe they were trying to make room for new products. I'm not sure, but I've tried this one out and I liked it. Next, we have this Maybelline. It's called Master Precise Ink Metallic Liner, liquid liner. It's in the shade Teal Galaxy. It's a really pretty, kind of sparkly green color. I've been wearing this almost every day since I got it and I really like it. The liner tip is so fine that I can actually get a nice, decent point, and it's super easy to apply. And it lasts so long as you don't rub your eyes or like cry or anything, it's gonna stay on. This one was originally $6.99 and I bought it for $2.08. I don't remember if I mentioned that. I have a terrible memory when I do videos for some reason. Everything just goes right out. Next, I got this Physician Formula The Healthy Foundation Brightening Complex. It was $11.89 and I paid $5.94 for it. I've been trying it out. It's got this doe foot applicator, which I've never tried a foundation with a doe foot applicator before. I like it so far. I've never bought anything from Physicians Formula because they're usually on the pricier side for drugstore. But if this isn't any indication of how their other products work, I'm a fan of the brand now. Fourth thing I bought is this Milani highlighter. I have seen this in stores for a very long time and I've always been interested in it, but it's a little pricey for just 3 small highlighters, and I already have a bunch of highlighters in my collection, so I'm glad I could snag this. It's originally $10.99, I got it for $3.28. This middle shade is a little too purple for my taste, so I like to put it on the eye. But these two shades I like to mix together and put it on my cheekbone. And last but not least, I've never heard of this brand before. It is called Starlit Studio Beauty. And it's this super pretty purple liner. Another really fine tipped. This one's not as opaque as the green one, but I still like the way it looks. And this was originally $5 and I bought it for $2.50. So in total, before the clearance prices, I would have paid $45.86. After the clearance price, I paid $17.08. I saved over $28.78 to be exact. Yay for clearance. Now I'm going to do a little tutorial with some of the items that I have here. Okay, and there we have it. I did my brows off camera, but let me zoom in. Let me zoom. Yes, I like the highlighter, the purple lavendery color on my eyes. These two eyeliners right next to each other look pretty cute. The highlighter is super subtle, so you can see it a little bit. If you like subtle highlighter, I prefer subtle over something blingy. And the foundation looks nice too. So there you go. Target clearance haul. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.